Hey y'all! Howdy y'all! Hi, how are you? Come on over here, let's talk about some beauty products. Ding 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 ding. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Laura and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be talking about the Allure beauty box for February. I know this video is a little bit late because I just got my box in 2 days ago. So for some reason, it came in pretty late this month, but I did want to do a little video review on this and try on. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for today's unboxing, I figured I would throw in a few clips of me trying on the products as well. So let's just jump right on in. So to begin, I do want to say that I did receive 5 products in this month's box. And some of them are full size and some of them are sample sizes. And I'm going to start with this moisturizer. It's from Youth to the People and it's a kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Woo! It says it's an age prevention moisture cream. Hello. And so I started with my makeup today and I went ahead and rubbed this all over my face before starting my makeup. And this product does have a very moisturizing consistency and it was a little tacky whenever I got done applying it to my face. I found that it was tacky, so I didn't even use a primer after this. I just went ahead just because it did feel pretty tacky, so I figured this might actually help hold my foundation on. So it's done a pretty good job so far. I do feel very moisturized after applying this, and I feel that the creasing that's in my forehead and under my eyes, I did kind of like rub it under my eyes too as I was applying it. I've been using a bunch of harsh cleansers on my face lately, and so this really did make it feel refreshed, and so far it feels great on my skin. So I plan to use this a few more days, so hopefully this will work out for me. The next thing I received in my box is the Tartist Mascara from Tarte Cosmetics. It is a sample size. I didn't apply false lashes today just because I wanted you guys to see really how this made my lashes look. And I really do like how dark this mascara is. It doesn't do much in terms of volume, I found, but it did a great job of lengthening my lashes, so I'm all for that. It has, let's see, it has one of those plastic applicators that are really short, which I guess helps your lashes to be separated easier, so that's probably why I don't feel that they're as voluminous as they usually are with other mascaras I use. But it did a great job of lengthening them, and like I said, it's really dark, so I feel like this will be a good mascara for me to just throw on real quick right before I put on my falsies, just because it's so dark and I feel like it'll blend really well with my false lashes. So I did enjoy this. And the next thing I received is a CLE Essence Moonlight Cushion. It is a cushion highlighter, in which I was really interested to see how this was going to work whenever I first received it. You open it up and it does have a little cushion. It comes with one of these little poof thingies. I usually just throw those out. I never use them. So what I did is I took this directly on my beauty blender and I just applied it to my face. At first I went in without setting my face with powder. I just went ahead and right after I applied my foundation, I put it over my foundation to see how it would blend out, and it blended out beautifully without foundation. So I went ahead and set my face with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, and then after I applied my blush and bronzer, I went back in with the cushion highlighter and I applied it again, and I feel like over the powder it did a great job as well blending out. This highlighter is seriously like a mirror on my skin. I mean, it does not look chunky, it blends out effortlessly. It does not emphasize texture or pores. If anything, I know this sounds crazy, but I feel like it not blurred my pores, that sounds crazy for a highlighter, but it did not emphasize my pores any, and it did not emphasize my texture. It literally just looks like my face just got splashed with water and I just look super dewy and hydrated. I am absolutely living for how this looks. I don't know if you could tell right here, I'm like moving my face around. I do have soft lighting, but I think it looks gorgeous. It did a great job. It's not tacky. Once I applied it over the powders, I don't feel like it's tacky. It feels like it dried down very well. I have a feeling this is going to be one of my new favorite products. Okay, and so next, what I received is this. I don't know if this is a full size or not. It looks like a full size lip balm. It is from Skin Fix, and it is the Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. So I went ahead and applied this before I put on my liquid lipstick today, and it does have a little bit of grit into it. So what I did is I just, after I had all that crusty makeup on my lips, I just went ahead and applied it, and it felt like there was some sugar in it, so I went ahead and just kind of exfoliated my lips a little bit with it and then kind of wiped it off. It did leave moisture on my lips after I took it off, so this is something that I probably won't wear underneath a liquid lip just because it does have the sugar in it, and I don't want my lips to look crusty by having like leftover sugar scrub left on my lips. So I went ahead and took it off, but it did make my lips feel softer and hydrated. And mint is one of my favorite scents like ever as far as skincare or lip balm, lotion, anything. I just love mint. So I'm really excited about this. This will probably stay either in my shower. Since it does have a little bit of an exfoliating element, I probably might keep it in my shower just because that's where I usually exfoliate my lips, or I'll keep it beside my bed just right before I go to sleep at night. So I really did enjoy this product as well. And the next product I have to share is from Juice Beauty. It is the Gwyneth Paltrow lip color. It's called Gwyneth. It's just a mini little liquid lipstick, very teensy tiny. It is this very pretty berry color. So after I went in with the mint lip balm that was in the box, I just applied this like I would any other liquid lip. I had a berry lip liner in my collection that I went ahead and applied, and so I just went ahead and applied this over it. Since I applied this, it hasn't faded. It's done a great job. I've drank some water, and it's been a few minutes since I applied this, and it's dried down by now, and it hasn't dried down matte. It is very moisturizing, it feels like, which that might also be due to the lip balm that I applied, but it does not feel dry on my lips. My lips feel very hydrated. I do think this is a very pretty color. It's a very berry, springy color, so I think this is going to be fabulous for the season coming up. They have 8 shades in their collection, I think, and like I said, I was sent the shade Gwyneth in my box. I think it makes your lips look healthy, and it's just a very fun color for the spring, so I really enjoyed this product as well. So guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you guys got some different products in your Allure beauty box, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you received and if you liked it, or if you got some of the same products I did. Please let me know what your thoughts are on those, because I would love to hear how they worked on different skin types, different skin tones, anything. So just please let me know what you guys think. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me whenever you take the time to sit down and hang out with me. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you have a wonderful day, be blessed, and go out and give the world the best you that you can be. Mwah! Bye!